find your RV plumbing system to be confusing and a pain to deal with? Then you need to check out RecPro's RV water manifold. The RV water manifold simplifies your plumbing design, giving you control over the flow of water from your water source to various fixtures in your RV. All you need to do is connect your hot and cold water sources to the bottom connections on the manifold, and then you can connect various plumbing fittings to the sides in order to direct the water flow exactly where you need it. The manifold has 8 side ports so that you can connect plenty of plumbing fittings, keeping your plumbing system simple and versatile. And the 1-inch chamber helps maximize water flow. RV plumbing parts aren't much use if they are weak, but you can be confident the RV water manifold will provide more than enough strength to keep your plumbing system going. It's made out of butyl polysulfone material, making it resistant to even the harshest punishment from its environment. Additionally, the ridge is reinforced to prevent the ports from breaking off due to side load pressure. This manifold is compact and is recommended to be installed on the underside of your RV. All you need to do to connect your plumbing fittings to the manifold is to twist the connections into the ports clockwise. Additionally, it is compatible with RecPro's RV PEX plumbing fittings, meaning you won't need to deal with the hassle and strife of crimping and O-rings to get a watertight seal. The measurements for this product will be up on the screen so that you can pause the video and take a look. RV plumbing can be a pain to deal with, but with RecPro's RV water manifold, life with your water system can be far more streamlined and versatile. If you'd like to learn more about this product, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.